money. Yeah, nothing was free, so I'm like, no, I'll buy some pumpkins that the kids can play.
Right? Exactly. Like it's just.
Oh, hang on to your water, Gunny.
But have you guys ever been up to Alexandria's?
No.
That one's pretty nice. You do pay for it, but you get a lot for what you pay for.
I haven't been up there.
If you ever want to take like a little trip for a day, like it's a pretty fun one. They have a big bouncy pillow. They have bazooka ball. They have like little races. They have like go karts or pedal carts or whatever. They have a corn pit.
Oh, I love corn pits. Those are fun.
Like I think they have something kind of similar, like with like slides and stuff.
Okay.
And then they have like apples you can buy and like trinkets and things like that too. And then I think they have like pumpkin paintings and
Oh, that's fun.
then there's corn. Like there's just so much to do. Like
I'll have to try that one.
yeah, we try to go over MEA.
Hey,
Yeah.
Oh, good idea.
say hi.
That's a good time to do that.
I strongly suggest that one. For, like,
That's good to know.
You do have to pay for it, but it's worth
You
it.
get a lot more money. Yep.
Pretty picado.
What a day. Just had like a half hour or 2 hours of water being shut down in a cup while the hours are happily pouring. Oh, there it is. That's hilarious.
Does he have really big feet, guys?
Big shoulders.
I didn't know Bigfoot wears pants.
Big it.
I know, give me popcorn.
Woohoo!
Oh man! Hang on!
Pastor does
I
that
was gonna say we have our hayride tomorrow. Pastor knows that, but he like runs it going down the hill, so it's like a huge rock. The stairs are crashing.
Johnny did this.
Oh, there's another Bigfoot!
Oh, I do see that one.
They have a family of
Yeah. That was me. When I had read
Another Bigfoot?
Where?
Dude!
Woohoo!
our children know that.
Now we gotta go see the pumpkin king!
Now this is the way to get to the pumpkin patch.
We were here and we were standing in the kitchen. I was like, and he was like, driving. I'm like, we're doing something. Like, you guys had no, like,
No. Well,
Yeah,
and
look
actually,
at all the
a lot of people I
pumpkins.
talked to, a lot of
Winter, come here,
people
look.
that I did talk to about
The pumpkins?
that it was
Are you a
that
pumpkin?
they were actually pumpkins. That it was
Look at all the pumpkins.
the weekend, but it's, you know, they're all the kids, but it's supposed to be for murders on the
Woohoo!